The question is, how can I use Google Hangouts and at the same time use Gmail? I'm going to show you how you can do that in this video. Now, first of all, Google Hangouts is no longer really a thing. I mean, if I go do Google Hangout, right here, hangouts.google.com, watch what happens. It goes to mail.google.com/chat. That's where it goes. It goes to mail.google.com/chat. Now, by the way, you can get to it right here. In Mail, I can get to Mail, I can get to Chat, I can get to Spaces, and I can get to Meet. So I can click on Chat, and I can go in and look, I got a chat going on right here with Teddy Burris at gmail.com. Let me go set that account up. Now I got both accounts running right now in two different windows. I can go over here and I can say hi, and look, you can see I just said hi right here, and I can respond back and say, let's talk about pancakes. Now, while I'm doing that, I can just as easily go over here and click on Mail, and I can compose a new mail, send it to Teddy Burris at gmail.com right there, and I can say, here is the recipe, pancakes. Send that message, and I can just switch right back to chat, and I can say, sent the recipe just now. And he gets that message. And go right back to Mail. I can read this message I got from Google, delete this message. Now, while I'm over here doing work, Teddy Burris at Gmail is sending messages and saying, hey, dude, did you send it? And you see it popped up down the bottom here, hey dude, you send it? And I could hit reply right now, and it'll take me right straight over here into the small chat window, or I can close that and click on chat right here. There he says, did you send it? I can start replying if I want to and go, wait a minute, I want to get that message, make sure I sent it right. Go back over here, check my sent items. Yep, I sent it to the right person right there, so I can just go back to chat and I can say, yep, you got it, I'm sure. And I can just go right back to Mail. Bottom line is you can use Mail, Chat, Spaces, and Meet all at the same time. I actually did a video on Meet. I'll share that with you as well. So you can do all of this while you are in Gmail. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.